Hello friends, this is RK from RK Share Markets and Investments. It's a short video on Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis. Being a monthly expiry tomorrow, what you can expect, whether it will be on the call side or put option, which strike price will give you maximum benefit, will be discussed in this short video. This video is created only for educational purpose. Consult your financial advisor before investment. First of all, thanks very much for sharing my subscribing my YouTube channel and also my Telegram channel. Please do refer to your friends to help me this grow a bigger one. Nifty on a 5 minutes candle, it was like the first half an hour it was like a kind of downtrend. It just started like a gap up opening at around this 9100 levels, and then it started shedding and then came up to this level and then started bouncing back. So during this level, almost yesterday's my recommendation gave a kind of profit of around 47 rupees. It opened at 92 and then it went up to 139. So Nifty recommendation was profitable by around 40 rupees, I would say, and then it started climbing up. You can see like it was just climbing. There is no retracements or anything. It's just climbing, and with a kind of small consolidation over here, and then it started moving up. So it's a perfect trending day throughout on Nifty. What is there at Bank Nifty? Bank Nifty is little opposite. It was overperforming Nifty, I would say, and because of Bank Nifty started recovering. I would say that's what it happened today. And you can see even the early drops was also not visualized in Bank Nifty. Right from the beginning, it just started moving up, and without any kind of lagging in the movement, it just started moving up. And both Nifty and Bank Nifty is in the zone of our support and resistance. It is one of the critical zone, I would say, for both. First we will see Nifty. Yes, before that we will see Bank Nifty's recommendation. Bank Nifty recommendation, I suggested 17,400 PE, and unfortunately it's a kind of loss making one, and I hope if you have exercised this one, it might have hit the stop loss or your kind of exit levels. So on a daily chart, what is there with Nifty first. So Nifty is under the zone which is in the zone of the 9300 mark. So there's plus 50 and then minus 50, so giving us somewhere between 9300 or 250 to 9400 mark is one of the watchable zone where it can make critical decisions whether it will go up or it will take a reverse. And then 9320 is one of the very critical mark, which is currently which you can see at 5 minutes thing, which it got rejected at 9320 exactly. The day high is also around 9330 or something. So that 9320 is a must watch zone. And tomorrow, if Bank Nifty able to sustain above 9400, then you can go ahead with call option. Otherwise I would suggest to go ahead with put option. So considering there is no big news or anything for the moment which happened today, it may be like a kind of some short covering, but short covering will not give this much of 3% movement throughout the intraday. It is somewhere due to this kind of geopolitical reasons also a kind of major concern. And you can see SGX Nifty is already down, indicating that tomorrow it might shed couple of the gains which it gained today, couple of the points which it gained today. So tomorrow what you can expect? So tomorrow from my side, Nifty will be like if you see somewhere between like opening above, or if it goes above 9350, then only you can exercise call option of 9300 call option. Otherwise you go ahead with 9300 put option. Even if it is opening below 9300, also be within the money, which will be 9300 put option will give you a kind of very good returns throughout the day. If you see some positives during the kind of opening time, I would recommend, like if it goes above 9350 only, then only you can go ahead with call option. Otherwise exercise this put option, 9300 put option. And what is there at Bank Nifty? So Bank Nifty is again the same. It is in the range of that 18,800 to 18,900 level, and you can see that is where it might have rejected. You can see that 18,800 is where it got rejected. So if it crosses this 18,800 and if it trades above 18,900 mark, if only you can exercise, then only you can exercise this call option. 18,700, which will be in the money tomorrow if it opens above 18,800 and then sustains above this 18,900 mark. Otherwise, I would recommend to choose 18,700 put option, which will give us a maximum benefit. So tomorrow expecting there will be some drop in the points, so my recommendation will be only if you see Nifty above 9,350, go ahead with 9,300 call option, and Bank Nifty if it trades above 18,800 and 18,900, then only we can go for 18,700 call option. Otherwise, if you see there is a drop, go ahead with 9,300 put option from Nifty and 18,700 put option from Bank Nifty. Option chain doesn't have much because a lot of unwinding happens in Nifty call option side, and then a lot of fresh OI initiated at put option stating that it might not go down, but tomorrow we have to look at the live data how this is changing. Otherwise, this doesn't give any kind of maximum input to us because this move is only kind of news based or kind of some random move. And then the same thing from Bank Nifty also, there is no much input, and most probably it will like to settle at 8,500. So my strong recommendation will be 9,300 put option from Nifty and 18,700 put option from Bank Nifty. And then coming to this one, get ready for the upcoming Trade Like a Pro, the online training program. If you are interested, please do ping me on my mobile number and my Telegram channel, and also my email ID, which is given in the description, and be a part of this kind of unique training program, and you can master your kind of trading skills. Thanks very much, and please do refer to your friends and help me to grow this a bigger one. Thank you very much. All the very best, and have a profitable expiry day ahead. Bye. Thank you.